Spending time with you in the morning light. As the sun breaks through, I find my joy in just being with you. Every moment shared feels like a dream. Together we laugh like a sweet melody. The coffee brews softly, the world starts to wake. In these simple moments together we'll take, from sunrise to sunset, in each passing hour. With you by my side, I feel the power. Spending time with you is all I desire. In your laughter I find my fire. Hand in hand we'll chase the skies. With every heartbeat our love will rise. In the park we stroll where the flowers bloom. Every shared glance brightens the room. In the warmth of your smile my worries fade. Together we create the memories we've made. Through quiet nights, under starlit skies, we share our dreams with love in our eyes. Counting stars above, making wishes on the way. In this magical moment, forever we'll stay. Every adventure, new paths we'll explore. From mountaintops to ocean shores. With every heartbeat the world disappears. In this dance of time, I'll calm all your fears. With every sunrise we'll make memories bright. In the dance of time, it's you and me tonight. No place I'd rather be than here with you. In this beautiful world our love feels new. Every adventure, new paths we'll explore. From mountaintops to ocean shores. With every heartbeat the world disappears. In this dance of time, I'll calm all your fears. Spending time